all, my dear students. I hope you are all fine and safe in your home. Isn't it? Okay, good. Have you completed your homework? Okay. Now, I will show the homework review. Just verify your answer. Okay. Find the values of the letters in each of the following. First one, 2a into 7. Now here, value of a is equal to 5 means 25 into 7. That answer is 175. So, that value of a is equal to 5. Second one, 75 minus ab. B2 is the answer, isn't it? Now here, what's the value of a and b? Here we can apply b is equal to 3 and a equal to 4 means we'll get that answer is 32. So b equal to 3, isn't it? A equal to 4. So value of a is equal to 4 and value of b is equal to 3 is the answer. Okay, let's start our maths class. Today we are going to study about test of divisibility. Okay. Now, test of divisibility. Test of divisibility. Divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. A natural number is divisible by 10 if and only if its ones digit is 0. A natural number is divisible by 10 if and only if its ones digit is 0. For example, any one natural number that is CBA means, now we can write 1s, 10s, 100 plus we have C, isn't it? So 100 into C, 100C plus 10 into B, 10B plus A. Here 1's digit we have A, isn't it? 100C and 10B is divisible by 10, isn't it? Now here 1's digit is A equal to, this A is 0 means, 1's digit is 0 means we can say that number is divisible by 10. For example, 1000, we have 1's digit 0. 2080, we have 1's digit 0. So we can say 1000 and 2080 is divisible by 10. Okay. Now, second one, divisibility by 5. A natural number is divisible by 5 if and only if the ones digit is 0 or 5. Okay, ones digit is 0 or 5. For example, any one natural number that is CBA means we can write 100C plus 10B plus A, isn't it? Now we have this ones digit is A. This ones digit is 0 or 5 means, ones digit is 0 or 5 means. Now we have a value of A is equal to 0 or 5 means this number is divisible by 5. For example, 225. Now we have one's digit is 5. Now 2800. Now here one's digit is 0. Like this, any number that one's digit is 5 or 0 means these numbers is a divisible by 5. Clear what is divisibility by 10 and what is divisibility by 5? This one's digit is 0 means that numbers are divisible by 10. Now one's digit is 5 or 0 means that is divisible by 5. Okay, correct? Now divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. A natural number is divisible by divisibility by 2. A natural number is divisible by 2 if and only if the ones digit is divisible by 2. Okay, a natural number is divisible by 2 if and only if the ones digit is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 means that is even number means that number is divisible by 2. In the ones place we have even number 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 means that numbers are divisible by 2, isn't it? So, now here one number that is CBA means 100C plus 10B plus A. Now here one's digit, one's place we have A. So what's the value of A? A is always here A. This one's digit is 0, 4, sorry 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers we have in the ones place means that number is divisible by 2. So here this is ones place. We have this is we have 2 means 2 is divisible by 2, isn't it? So we can say these numbers are divisible by 2. For example, 1842. This is divisible by 2. Yes, we have ones place even number, that is 2. So this number is 1842 is divisible by 2. Clear? Okay. Now we can know divisibility by 4. A natural number is divisible by 4 if and only if the 2-digit natural number made by the last digit is divisible by 4. For example, now we can say CBA, that is 100C plus 10B plus A. Here one's digit is A. Now we have that last 2 digit is divisible by 4 means this number is divisible by 4. But now here last 2 digit number is BA. Now here BA is divisible by 4 means CBA is divisible by 4. Now here 10B plus A. 10B plus A is divisible by 4 means that number is divisible by 4. Okay. For example, in one number 284. Okay. Now listen here. Last 2 number, this 84. 84 is divisible by 4. 2 4s are 8. Then 4. 1 4 is 4. So remainder 0. 84 is divisible by 4 means 284 also divisible by 4. Can you check? 284 is divided by 4 means 6 4s are 7 4s are 28, isn't it? Now here 0, then 4, 1 4 is 4. Did you get remainder 0? So 284 also divisible by 4. So last 2 digit is divisible by 4 means that number is divisible by 4. A natural number is divisible by 2 means that one's digit is divisible by 2. Okay, one's digit is divisible by 2 means that number is divisible by 2. Clear? Divisibility by 2 and 4. Okay. Now, divisibility by 9 and 3. Divisibility by 9 and 3. A natural number is divisible by 9 or 3 if and only if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9 or 3. Okay. Now here for example, here one number. Now we can add the digits. Okay. 2 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1. Okay. Now we can add 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 4 13, 16, then 16 plus 6 22. 22 plus 8 30, 35 36. Sum of the digit is 36. Now we can say 36. 9 fours are 36, isn't it? We have 9 table. Then 3 table. 1 3 is 3, 2 3. 12 3s are 36. This 36 is divisible by 9 and 3. So we can say this number is divisible by 9. The sum of the digit is divisible by 9 means we can say that number is divisible by 9. The sum of the digit is divisible by 3 means also we can say this number is divisible by 3. Okay, sum of the digit is divisible by 9 means that number is divisible by 9. The sum of the digit is divisible by 3 means we can say that number is divisible by 3 also. Okay, now divisibility by 11. A natural number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits in the odds place and the sum of its digit at the evens place is divisible by 11. The natural number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits in the odds places and the sum of the digits at the evens place is divisible by 11. Now example 76263. This is divisible by 11. Can you check? Yes. Now sum of the digits in the odd places. What are the odd places? This is first ones place. Then 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. Now what are the odd places? 1, 3, then 5. Isn't it? Now we can add 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. Isn't it? Now we can add the even places. 2 and 4. Isn't it? 2 and 4. Now 2 and 4 means 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Isn't it? 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Now listen, these odd places and even places, we have the same number 12. Sum of the digit is same. Isn't it? The sum of the digits in the odd place equal to the sum of the digits at the even place. So we can say this is divisible by 11. Okay, can you say 7, 6, 2, 6, 3. Now 11 table, 6 times 66. Now 0, 1 balance, then 2. 11, 9. 9 into 11, 99. Now balance 30, 12 minus 3, isn't it? 12 minus 9 is 3. Here 9 minus 9 is 0. Now here, next 6, isn't it? Now 3 times 33. Again 3 times. Now here take this 3. 33, 0. Isn't it? So 2693, then remainder is 0. So we can say 76,263 is divisible by 11. Now first we can add the odd places. Then we can add the even places. That is the total, the sum of the digits. So even places equal to odd place means that number is divisible by 11. Clear? Exercise 5.3. Find the ones digit of n a. Find the ones digit of n a. Okay. Now first question. N divided by 10 leaves remainder 3. N divided by 10 leaves remainder 3. Now here, any one number is divided by 10 means that remainder is 3. What is that number? What is that? That is n. What is n? Okay. How can you find? Now here 10, isn't it? Now here 10 plus 3 is equal to 10 plus 3, remainder 3, equal to 13. What is the ones digit? 3. Isn't it? So, now we can find ones digit 3 means we can divide it by 10, will get remainder 3. Can we check? Any one number now here 13. 13 divided by 10 is equal to remainder 3. Isn't it? 13 divided by 10. 3 tens are, sorry, 1 10 is 10. Here remainder 3. Did you get remainder 3? Yes. Now here remainder 3. Isn't it? 13 divided by 10 is equal to remainder 3. But quotient is 1. Okay. Quotient 1. Remainder 3. Okay. Now listen here. 30. Isn't it? 10 plus 3, 30. Okay. Now we can add this 13 plus 10. Okay. 13 plus 10, 23. Isn't it? 23 divided by 10 is equal to, we can, what's the remainder? 3. 2 tens are 20. Remainder 3. Isn't it? This is remainder. Okay. Remainder is equal to 3. Okay. So what's the ones digit? Therefore, ones digit of n equal to, n is 3. Okay. Ones digit of n is 3. Okay. First one. Now second one. N divided by 10 leaves no remainder. Remainder 0. 0 means what's the ones digit? Now here 10 plus remainder 0. No remainder means 0. 10 plus 0 equal to 10. What's the ones digit? 0. Ones digit 0 means divided by 10 means remainder 0. Ones digit is 0. Any one number we can take. Ones place 0. 230 divided by 10 equal to remainder, sorry, quotient is what? 23. 230 divided by 10. 2 tens are 20. 3 balance 0, 3 tens are 30, 0. Quotient is 23, remainder 0. So remainder 0 means that one's digit is 0. One's digit is 0. So one's digit of n is what? 0. One's digit of n is 0. Clear? Okay, then third question. N divided by 5 leaves remainder 2. We need remainder 2. Any one number that is n divided by 5 means what's the remainder? 2. Now here 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Isn't it? 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now here 7 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then we can add this 7 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Isn't it? Now 12 plus 5 is equal to 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. What are the possible ones digit? 7 and 2. 7 and 2. Here 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 plus 10 is equal to 23. Then 23 plus 10 is equal to 33. Only one possible way. That is one's digit is always 3. But here 10 plus 0, 10. Again 10 plus 0, 10. One's digit is only 0. But here 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. We have two possible way, that is 7 or 2. That one's digit is 7 or 2 means. Suppose the 7 divided by 5. 7 divided by 5 is equal to 1 5 is 5. Remainder 2. Did you get remainder 2? Remainder 2. Isn't it? Then 17 means 17 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. Remainder 2. Did you get remainder 2? So, what is the one's digit? 7 and 2. Okay. Therefore, one's digit of n is 2 or 7. 2 or 7. Okay. N is 2 or 7. Clear? Okay. Then n divided by 5 leaves remainder 3. What's the remainder? 3 is the remainder. Now we can say it's 5 plus 3. Now here 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Isn't it? Okay. Now we can add this 8 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Isn't it? 13. Now here what is the remainder? 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 means 8 divided by 5. 1 5 is 5. Remainder 3. Isn't it? Now here 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Now here 13 divided by 5 means 2 5s are 10. Isn't it? 2 5s are 10. Balance 3. Remainder 3. Did you get? Here 13 plus 5 is equal to again 18. So 8 or 3 means 3 is the ones digit of n. Okay. So we can write ones, therefore ones digit of n is 8 or 3. Otherwise 3 or 8. Okay. 3 or 8. Understand? Now first we want to add these two numbers. 5 plus 2, 7. Now we can add, divide it. We get 2 is the remainder. Now we can add this 5 plus this 7. 12. 12 divided by 7. We get remainder 2. 17. Here 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 divided by 5. We will get 2. So 7 or 2 in the ones digit. Okay. Then the same way here, divided by 5 means 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. So one's digit is 8 or 3. So one's digit of n is 3 or 8. Clear? Exercise 5.3. Out of the following, find the numbers which are divisible by 3 but not by 9. This number is divisible by 3 but not by 9. Okay, what are the numbers? Now listen, here first one, now we can take first one, 11,277. This is divisible by 3 means we can add the sum of all digits, isn't it? So, 11,277, 1 plus, we can add the digits, 1 plus, 1 plus, 2 plus, 7 plus, 7. Okay, now here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 7, 18. Now here listen, 18 is divisible by 3, isn't it? 6 3s are 18, isn't it? So, this 11,277 is divisible by 3. Then, now we can say, this is divisible by 9. Yes, 9 2s are 18. So, this is divisible by 3 and 9. Isn't it? 3 and 9. Now, second one, 3,774. 3 plus 7 plus 7 plus 4 equal to 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. Now listen, this 21 is divisible by 3. 7 3s are 21. Isn't it? Divisible by 3. But this 21 is not divisible by 9. 2 9s are 18. Then 3 9s are 27. But here 21. 21 is not divisible by 9. So we can say 3,774 is divisible by 3 but not by 9. Okay, but not by 9. Therefore, 3,774 is divisible by 3 but not by 9. Not by 9. Now here we can say 11,277 is divisible by 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Okay. Now third one, 23,076. 23,076. Now here we can add the digit 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 7 plus 6 equal to 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 is divisible by 3 and 9. So, 23,076 is divisible by 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Okay. Now 3 completed. Then fourth one. 2,31,129. Now we can add the digit 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 9. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 9 18. So 2,31,199 is divisible by 2,31,129 is divisible by 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Isn't it? Now, fifth one, 76,263. 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 7 plus 6, 13 plus 2, 15 plus 6, 21 plus 3, 24. 8 3s are 24. 24 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 9. 9 table, 3 9s are 27 but here 24. So, 76,263 is divisible by 3 but not by 9. Okay. Now sixth one, for 1,42,875, 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. Now we can add 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 8, 15 16, isn't it? 7 plus 2 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 7 22, 22 plus 5 27. Now here 9 sevens, 9 threes are 3 nines are 27. This 27 is divisible by 3 and 9, isn't it? 7 is divisible by 3 and 9. So 1,42,875 is divisible by 3 and 9. Okay, 3 and 9. Now what is the question? Out of the following, find the numbers which are divisible by 3 but not by 9. That number is not divisible by 9, but that is divisible by 3, only 3. Here this is divisible by 3 and 9. Here this is divisible by only 3 but not by 9. So 3,774 is not divisible by 9. It's divisible by 3. Again 76,263 also divisible by 3 but not by 9. So what are the numbers? Therefore 3,774 and 76,263 are divisible by 3 but not by 9. Clear? What are the numbers? 3,774 and 76,263. These two numbers are not divisible by these two numbers are divisible by 3 but not by 9. Okay? Homework. Find the ones digit of n if first one n divided by 5 leaves no remainder. Second one n divided by 4 leaves remainder 3. Okay? Leaves remainder 3. Clear? These two problems homework. Okay? We can continue next class. Thank you.